Hello guys, I am Hira. As I have discussed with you in my last video that I will show you my ornamentation in next video. Now I am going to show you my thesis ornamentation, which is inspired by cherry blossom and A-bomb dome building. In this ornamentation I use pink fabric, off-white pearls and organza flowers because it shows delicacy. I stitch white pearls on pink satin and attach organza flowers with it. In this picture, firstly I develop arrangement of 3 fans on coral draw, then laser cut this arrangement on leather and stitch flowers with the knot stitch. I just use knot stitch on pink suede leather and develop one piece of ornamentation. Now I painted brown branches on grain leather with the help of acrylic paints. Then laser cut some branches in brown leather and stitched flowers with pearls on it. Then hang the tassels with flowers and branches. In this piece, I develop arrangement on coral draw. Then use outline of hand fan and arrange flowers in it. Then I laser cut this fan on pink suede leather. This is a screen printing technique on white organza. In this ornamentation, I laser cut some branches in brown leather and paste on the pink suede leather. I stitch pearls in bow shape and flowers in center on pink suede leather. I did sticker printing on organza, then this organza fabric convert into pleats. And this is sticker printing too. Develop different tassels, this one in fan shape and painted branches with acrylics on it and hang round shape ornament. This is embroidered fan shape tassel. This 6x6 patch developed on embroidery machine. This ornamentation for men's, I engraved this design on suede leather and this patch is hand painted. These straps are a mixture of different techniques like hand painting, laser cutting and hand stitch. This is sticker printing of A-bomb dome building on white organza. It's sticker printing too on grain leather. It's the last one, it's a hand painting on grey suede leather. This video is for my colleagues who are graduating soon from fashion school. I hope you will like my video. Thank you guys.